morning friends, this is Sopan Suryavanshi. I welcome back to you on my Be Cognizant YouTube channel. Friends, through this video I am going to tell you one story. If you have come first time on Be Cognizant YouTube channel, then subscribe to Be Cognizant YouTube channel. Like, share videos of Be Cognizant YouTube channel on your personal social media account. There was a one giant tree in the farm of a one farmer, and there was a useful trees around it. The tree was giant tree, but it was useless. Farmer didn't get any fruits from it, and there was useful trees, more valuable trees around it. That giant tree was seizing the growth of trees around it. Then farmer decided to cut down that tree. But it was the big question in front of you, how to cut that tree. If giant tree cut, then it could have damaged the trees around it. Farmer thinks a lot on this problem. That giant tree has become a big hurdle in the way of growth of trees around it. As surrounding trees were not growing well, farmer decided to cut that tree. But now how to cut that tree? It was the big question in front of him. If the giant tree is cut from trunk, then it can fall on the trees around it and it can damage to the trees. If the giant tree had cut from the trunk, then it could have fall on the tree around it and it could have damage to the trees around it. So farmer made one idea. It started to cut branches of tree from top of the tree. Farmer cut branches one by one. He reduced the size of the tree by cutting branches one by one. Look, this farmer has been cutting the giant tree by cutting branches one by one. He could manage to cut all branches of that giant tree. Ultimately, one big trunk remained. He cut that trunk by cutting into pieces from top of the trunk. In this way, farmer managed to cut that giant tree without harming to useful trees around it. Friends, it is said that journey of thousands miles begins with a single step. From this story, we should take moral that any difficult work can be done step by step. I hope you might have really liked this video. For getting such motivational stories, then subscribe to Be Cognizant YouTube channel and do like, share our videos. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye bye.